Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of radish cultivation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned grower, these 10 tips will help you harvest the tastiest radishes in no time. Tip 1. Choose the right variety. Different varieties have different tastes and sizes, so choose wisely. Tip 2. Watering. Radishes thrive on moist soil but not soggy soil, so water when the soil is dry. Tip 3. Sunlight. Keep your radishes in full sun for optimal growth. Tip 4. Soil-rich. Organic soil works best for radishes. Add compost if necessary. Tip 5. Planting. Plant seeds about an inch deep and space them about an inch apart. Tip 6. Thinning. Thin out your plants to avoid overcrowding and improve growth. Keep only one plant per 3 inches. Tip 7. Harvesting. Harvest when they're about the size you want, usually between 1 and 2 inches in diameter after about a month. Use a knife to avoid damaging the roots. Tip 8. Pest control. Protect your crop from garden pests with natural repellents like diatomaceous earth or netting over your plants. Keep them off the plants. A little bit of effort can make all the difference to growing radishes in buckets. Water regularly and watch for signs of wilting or yellowing leaves, which are classic signs of overwatering. Don't forget to fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer like a 10-10-10 to keep your plants healthy and happy. That's it for today's gardening tips, folks. Remember, gardening can be therapeutic and rewarding if done right. So keep experimenting and remember to share your success stories with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy harvesting!